Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you tips and tricks to enhance your grooming game. In today's video, we will be discussing how to deal with beard split ends. Split ends can ruin the appearance of your beard and make it look dull and unhealthy. Fortunately, there are some steps you can take to prevent and treat split ends, and we will be discussing them in detail in this video. Step 1. Keep your beard clean. The first step in preventing split ends is to keep your beard clean. Use a beard shampoo and conditioner that is specifically formulated for beards. Wash your beard at least twice a week to remove any dirt or debris that may have accumulated on your facial hair. Step 2. Moisturize your beard. Dryness is a major cause of split ends in beards. To prevent this, apply a beard oil or balm to your facial hair regularly. This will keep your beard moisturized and healthy, preventing split ends from forming. Step 3. Comb your beard regularly. Combing your beard regularly helps to distribute the oils and balms throughout your facial hair, preventing dryness and split ends. Use a wide-toothed comb to gently comb your beard in the direction of the growth. Step 4. Trim your beard regularly. Regular trimming is essential to prevent split ends from forming. Trim your beard every 4 to 6 weeks to keep it looking neat and healthy. Use a pair of sharp scissors or clippers to trim your beard evenly. Step 5. Avoid heat styling. Heat styling tools like hairdryers and straighteners can cause damage to your beard, leading to split ends. Avoid using these tools as much as possible, or use them on a low heat setting if you must. Step 6. Avoid harsh chemicals. Harsh chemicals found in some shampoos and conditioners can strip your beard of its natural oils, leading to dryness and split ends. Look for products that are free of sulfates and parabens, and that are formulated specifically for beards. Step 7. Be mindful of your diet. What you eat can have an impact on the health of your beard. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can help to promote healthy hair growth, while a diet lacking in these nutrients can lead to dryness and split ends. Make sure you are getting enough vitamins A, C, and E, as well as biotin and zinc, which are all important for hair health. Step 8. Protect your beard from the elements. Extreme weather conditions, such as wind and cold, can cause damage to your beard, leading to split ends. Cover your beard with a scarf or beard balm during harsh weather conditions to protect it from the elements. Step 9. Don't overwash your beard. While it's important to keep your beard clean, overwashing can strip your beard of its natural oils, leading to dryness and split ends. Wash your beard no more than twice a week, or less if your beard is particularly dry. Step 10. Avoid pulling or tugging on your beard. Pulling or tugging on your beard can cause damage to the hair shaft, leading to split ends. Avoid playing with your beard or twirling it excessively, and be gentle when combing or brushing it. Split ends can ruin the appearance of your beard, but by following these steps, you can prevent and treat them. Keep your beard clean and moisturized, comb it regularly, trim it regularly, and avoid heat styling tools. By doing so, you'll have a healthy and good-looking beard that you can be proud of. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more grooming tips and tricks.